Good morning students. Now today we are going to start our 10th lecture of chapter number 11, that is ray optics. Okay, and in our yesterday's lecture we have discussed about the TIR, the total internal reflection. Okay, and in that we have discussed that the angle of incidence, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then the phenomena is your total internal reflection, in which the ray is totally reflected back. Okay, so this we have studied in our yesterday's lecture. Now the next topic which we are going to discuss today is some applications of TIR, means some applications of total internal reflection. So in that series, your first application is mirage. Okay, what is that mirage, beta? Have you ever going in a traveling in this hot summer day, and in that day you have just been seen on the road that the water has been spread, but actually when you come closer to that, then you realize that there is no any kind of water which has been spread over the road. This is the simply the reflection of the rays, of the sun rays, and this condition, such type of the creation has been done only on the hot summer days. Okay, on that particular area where the temperature is very much high. Okay, so on the hot summer days only. Okay, because when we are just be driving on the hot summer day, so a coal tar of a road, so we on the coal tar of a road, you know beta, on the road the coal tar has been spread, so we experience an optical illusion, भ्रम होता है हमें. Okay, in which we have seen that the road is ahead of us and it is wet, and such type of the experience is only occur on the desert areas during the summer only, and such type of the optical illusions is called the mirage. Okay, clear? And how even this phenomena can be explained by assuming that the atmosphere near the earth's surface consists so many layers and having a different refractive indices, and when we go up, the refractive index go on increasing. So when the sun rays had just been entering from upper layer and have a refraction from denser to rarer layer, then it was bent away from the normal, and a stage will come when the ray is totally reflected and we find that there is any kind of a water has been reflected, which has been spread over the surface of the road. Okay, clear? So this I am going to be write it down. So because in sometimes in the exam it has been asked in that write a short note on the following. Okay, so in that mirage is also the one of the topic in that. So first of all, what is mirage? So on a hot summer day during driving on a coal tar road, we experience an optical illusion in which we see that the road ahead of us is wet, and such type of experience is also there in desert during summer. This optical illusion is called mirage. Okay, clear? And even we are just be the remaining theory, I am just also write it down, so it will be better for you just to understand the concept of it. Okay, so for the next theory, so this phenomena can be explained by assuming that the atmosphere near the Earth's surface consists of so many layers having different refractive indices. As we go up, the refractive index go on increasing. The sun rays entering from upper layer have a refraction from denser to rarer layer, hence bends away from the normal. A stage will come when the ray is totally reflected and we feel the inverted image of tree or other object as if coming after reflection from a water surface. Okay, clear? So this is about the mirage. Now further moving ahead, we have the next topic, the second application of TIR, that is brilliance of diamond. Brilliance of diamond means brilliance of diamond is due to the TIR. Of course, it is an application of TIR, and the refractive index of diamond is very large. Totally, we can say approximately it was 2.42, and hence the critical angle is small. It was 24.41 degree. So it is cut and polished in such a way that the light entering its different faces gets totally reflected, and hence the brilliance. Okay. Okay, so due to this brilliance only we can say that कि जो diamond है वो चमकता है, because that brilliance has been due to the TIR, the total internal reflection. Okay, so the theory of the brilliance of a diamond you have to be right by your own. Third one is the optical fiber. Optical fiber, and in that optical fiber, you know beta, optical fiber it just carries the signals to a very long distance. Okay, so its diagram is just like that. Its inner portion is the core, outer one is the coating, and then it's a cladding. Okay, like this. Diagram is like this beta. So like this it was entering. When it enters, it gets again and again the TIR. So it's your core, it's the cladding. Okay, so when it consists the three part, central part is the core, then its outer coating, then a cladding is there. So refractive index of the core is slightly greater than the refractive index of the cladding. Okay, so an optical signal is entering from one end of the optical fiber at the angle. Which angle? The angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle, and gets had the multiple internal reflection, and afterwards ultimately it comes out from the other end without any kind of much loss of energy. Okay, so such kind of a things has been done in the optical fiber, and the theory of the optical fiber also you have to be right by your own beta. Okay, clear? So today's homework, brilliance of diamond, and write a short note on brilliance of diamond and optical fiber. Okay, moving ahead with the next one. Now we are going to solve a numerical. Okay, so that numerical is the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Find critical angle for it. We have to calculate the critical angle for the diamond, which refractive index is 2.42. Such a simple the formula based question. So given is that, which is given in the question, that the refractive index is 2.42 and we have to find its critical angle. So there is a formula beta. Just remember this formula. Sin C, the critical angle, is equals to 1 upon refractive index. So here I am just putting the value. Sin C is equals to 1 upon 2.42. This is the formula you have to be remember. Okay. So when you divide, it get the value 0.4132. So we have to find the value of C. So it will become sine inverse of 0.4132. Up to here also your answer is correct, and if you get the sine table, okay, which I just told you, when the physically you are present in the school, so in your practical book there is a sine, cosine, all the angles table will be there. So from there you can find the value, but it was not be given, then it's simply up to here also you can write it down. Its value is 24.4 degree. So this is the answer. Okay beta, clear? So this is about the numerical. Here is one formula that you have to be remember. So your today's homework is about the write a short note on brilliance of a diamond and the optical fiber. Okay, that's it. And now further we are going to start in our next lecture about the refraction of spherical surface. Okay, and now next video will be coming on your Tuesday. Okay, next video will be coming on Tuesday. Saturday, Sunday will always be remain off in further. So tomorrow you are having Saturday, so it will be off, and then Sunday, Monday you are having the Raksha Bandhan festive. So you may enjoy your festival, celebrate it out, and afterwards from Tuesday, from 4th of August, we will be come back and continue with our lectures, with our online classes. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. That's all for today.